Hello and welcome back to Rybotechyt. Today I've got the review of these fans. They're cheap and also look pretty damn cool. So in the video I've got a build of this PC because I sprayed this from black to white in the last video. So if you want to go and watch that, it'll be up here. So first up we've got the unboxing of the fans, quick review, see what they're like, then building the PC up, then a cool little montage that I'm quite proud of and I think it looks pretty cool. So even if you don't watch the rest of the video, just watch that bit at the end because I quite like it and I think you'll like it too. Let's get the fans unboxed. Let's get this unboxed then. It's very well packaged. There we go. I'm just hoping they don't look too tacky. It would have been nice if these were white, but they are flat cables, so that's not the end of the world. Alright, so we've got fans themselves, little manual, packs of screws for fans, fan controller, hub. I think this actually lights up as well. We've got Molex power, and then also a controller. So here's one of the fans. They do look slightly tacky to start off with. Like, plastic it's got a little bit of flex to it, but it's not bad. Blades are a bit thicker, which is nice. RGB is from the hub, so there's none on the outside. And cool moon, cool life, meet the future. They have got anti-vibration pads here, which is nice to have. And then they are this 5-pin RGB design. Alright, let's get them in the case. So if you watched the last video, you would have seen that I sprayed my PC white. If you want to see that, card will be up here somewhere. So now it's white. I think these fans are going to look very good in here rather than these ones. So it's going to be a black and white build, sort of like stormtrooper-y. And let's get to the build montage. Boom. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked that little montage at the end, because I really liked it. I thought I'd done quite a good job. I've never done anything like that before, really. So yeah, tell me what you think. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, drop a like on it. If you really liked it, get subscribed and check out my channel, because I'm guaranteed there'll be something you like. Bye.